Once, there was a small family where lived a father and his two sons. His two sons liked to argue with each other all the time. The father was always worried whenever he saw them fighting. One day, the father had an idea. He took a bunch of sticks and tied them together. Then he asked each of his sons to try and break the bundle. They pulled and pushed, but the bundle didn't break. After they got tired and gave up, the father opened the bundle and gave each son a single stick. "Now, try to break these," he said. And snap! They easily broke the single sticks. The oldest son, scratching his head, asked, "Father, why did we do that?" The father, with a kind smile, said, "My sons, you are like the single sticks. Together, you are strong. But if you stay mad to each other, you're like the single sticks. Easy to break. Stick together and you'll be strong." The sons thought it and realized what their dad was trying to teach them. They promised to stay together and support each other from that day. The moral lesson of the story is, unity is strength.